Hey there, Alex here, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I will be installing another one of Nilight's very many products. So stick around and let's do this installation step by step. See you after the intro. I don't know about you, but I always have trouble looking into what's inside my bed shark even during daylight, and it even gets worse during nighttime. So let me try and fix that with the Nilight 3-piece LED bed light strips, and let me just prep the truck and take it from there. I just finished washing the mounting area with water and soap, then wiped it dry with clean microfiber cloth. Now I just want to do a wipe down using alcohol wipes and we'll be good to install. Alright, so I got the package here. Let's open it up and see what comes with it. Okay, we have some mounting brackets, we have screws and also some tie wraps. We got an insulation sheet here and the LED strips. There's 3 of them. A switch that comes with an inline 5-amp fuse and some extra wiring here. So as far as specifications are concerned, this is, by the way, a universal fit, so it can be used for any pickup truck, van, SUV, RV, or boat if you want to. And this is a simple 12-volt connection, and it comes with a 270 SMD LED chips, which outputs about 3900 lumens with a 6000K brightness, which is equivalent to the sunlight. So that's super bright, and it's a flexible and durable design, and the light strip is IP67 sealed housing, so this will be well protected against raindrops, dirt, sand, or any other element out in the open there. And this has a lifespan of 30,000 hours, so after this install I don't think it's coming out. As far as the installation is concerned, it should be a safe and easy installation. The strips come with self-adhesive tape, so it's basically a peel and stick application. You can also add on the included mounting hardware for extra security, but the adhesive tape should do the trick, so I'm going to just chuck this out. Again, for more information on the product, I'll be putting the link of the item on the description below, so check it out. And as far as cost is concerned, it cost me under $50 Canadian and comes with a 2-year warranty. So it's a very inexpensive, and I think it will be a very super useful installation. So let me do the test before we do the installation. It's always a good idea to do that. Make sure we don't waste our time installing a defective item. And let's get to that. Okay, so we are ready to do the test, and basically what I've done here is I'm using a test cable, and I've connected the lead wires, the red for positive and the black to the negative, and we should be ready to go. And sorry, it got really dark pretty quick. It is winter time, so that's just how it goes. So the hood light, by the way, is great to have, and if you haven't seen that installation video, go ahead and click on this link up here on the right and watch that video. So anyway, back to the installation. Now let's try the switch and see how this works. Okay, so as you can see, all three LED strips are working just fine. So let's go ahead and do the install. Okay, so as mentioned, this is a very straightforward install. All you gotta do is take out the adhesive tape backing, like so, and just apply it to the surface. Just give it some pressure. Make sure that the adhesive really sticks onto the surface. Now let's apply the other one to the other side. Again, same idea. Strip out the adhesive backing. Now this one comes in pieces. Okay, so next step is to run the positive negative leads directly to the battery, and that's the last portion of the install. Just take the supplied extension wires and connect it to the LED strip light wires. So red to red, black to black. There you go, nice and clean connection. Now all we got to do is run this through underneath the cab and out to the engine bay and into the battery. Oh, by the way, I decided not to install the third light strip. I only have a short bed, and I think that one on the left, one on the right is more than enough. I have a very short bed, it's only 5 feet long, so I'm keeping this for spare. Alright, so I'm all done here, and as you can see, everything's working well. Let me just turn off the lights in the garage so we can see how bright this thing really is. So give me a second there. So there you go. I hope that you can still see me here, but yeah, I think this install is very useful. I like how much brighter it is inside there, and even during the day, like I said, I struggle to find things in there, so this will definitely help me out a lot. And as you can see, even without installing the third strip, we have so much light in there. So again, I'll just use that for backup purposes, and yeah, everything's good. So we're all done with the installation, guys. I think that went pretty well, and it's a very simple and straightforward installation. If I can do it, I'm sure you can do it. One thing that I just need to do is clean up the wires back there, make sure that they're all nicely wrapped and tucked away. And also, one thing that I don't like about where the switch is right now is it's in the front, and I think it makes more sense if it's back here where near the tailgate. I think it makes more sense to control that light back here than up there. So all I gotta do is cut that switch wire, extend it, and run it all the way to the front. I think this is one of the modifications or installations that I've done that will be very useful to me in the long run. Again, like I said, even during the day, I struggle finding where things are in the back. Now with this much lighting, everything will be a lot easier. So I hope that you guys like the installation. I hope that you guys like this video. So please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Until the next time, for now, if you can be anything, you might as well be nice.